Song's called Don't Wanna Leave.
Pushing the winners I fall through. Out of my mind, darling, you can come too. Heavy days lay here in the same place. Pretty soon now I'll go leaving again. And when they come and take you away, maybe they'll let me come too. It was never my plan to let you stay, 'cause babe, I don't wanna leave without you. Sitting on an old jet plane, looking through the clouds. Oh my baby, she's not here, and I wonder how. Lord, ain't it funny how love never seems to stick around. Oh, but I'm sure I'll be okay anyhow. And when they come and take you away, maybe they'll let me come too. It was never my plan to let you stay, 'cause babe, I don't wanna leave without you. I'm 1,000 miles away from home. Ooh, my baby, she's not here, she's on her own. Oh, Lord knows it ain't the same over the telephone. And pretty soon now I'll go here in the dial tone. But when she's gone, I know it's okay, 'cause his love wouldn't have stuck to anyway. Ooh, another chapter to see fade, another page turning, and I'm going away. Oh, when they come and take you away, maybe they'll let me come too. It was never my plan to let you stay, 'cause babe, I don't wanna leave without you. Without you, without you, without her cheek. When they come and take you,
I started playing, I always kind of sang as a kid. I think Mum always noticed that I was kind of singing around the house and whatnot. And then I got guitar lessons when I was maybe about 8, but never performed like properly until, I don't know, open mics a couple of years ago and whatnot. But yeah, it's all kind of taken off from there. I guess opening up to music and opening up to your inner emotion and trying to be yourself. I think David Bowie was big for me, and you know, Father John Misty, you know, David Bowie, Devendra Banhart, Steve Smythe. Like I saw him play a few years ago at the Stag, and it just opened up my world because you just saw this guy playing this SG fully distorted, ripping out this tune, and I'm just going, what the fuck? No one does this, and like everyone fucking loved it. No one spoke at all. Everyone was just like, oh my god, it was crazy, and like I was like, I want to fucking do that. That's sick. That is mad. That will be me one day. So at the moment I've got a few shows coming up with other bands, like local newie bands. There's a band called Diremaker that I'm going on a little tour with, just doing a Brizzy and Byron show, and I'm so damn keen for that. It's going to be really fucking fresh to play up in Byron, see some new faces. In Maitland I recorded a song with Sean Ballenden at 333 Productions, and yeah, we've got it mastered and everything by a man named Brian Lucy. But yeah, we've been recording, and yeah, I think when I got in the studio it opened up a whole new world, but it was, yeah, just so different. But yeah, it's all happening, and it's awesome. Yeah, it's good. It's all happening.
Are we good to go?
We're rolling. Have you ever seen tears like this rolling down her cheek when she's been crying? If she gives you a stay, take her in and hold her hand and tell her you love her. Not even the sun could tame a woman like her. Smile better to remain, and her eyes as precious as pearl. But it's not in her looks where you find. You've gotta look deeper down inside. Questions alone take time to see their food. Don't stop where you're going. Darling, would you wanna dance? Keep that river flowing. Would you wanna take a chance on the world? Wrote a passage for every look she gave him. From each depth of field she loved, I know you'll be alright. So don't stop where you're going. Darling, would you wanna dance? Keep that river flowing. Would you wanna take a chance on the world?
That's the one.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's fucking
That's the one.